Hello guys, this is Dr. Hasana here, and today you are confused about how to make a choice about academy in PLAB 2. Wait a minute, not that, but like what the heck is an academy? Like I get what academy is like, but what are the services it's providing me and how exactly am I supposed to take them? I'm going to be in my country, but I'm going to come to UK, but then when will I take it from UK? Will I have this limited or unlimited package that I'll have? What if my classes end before I even pass my exam? What if it's like a subscription I need to take and then it expires, and by the time I'm in UK it expires? So these are 20 million questions that are probably going through in your mind, and you're getting started with your PLAB 2 prep. Then you have come to the right video right here. I am Dr. Hasana, and I am here to make all your international exam pathways, and as a medical student and a medical career person, I am going to make your life easy. So first things first, let's talk about the PLAB 2. So before you understand how to make a choice on which academy to pick, because I remember this used to be a huge doubt in my mind, like how do I decide an academy? Like what am I getting in an academy? What are the various academies? Like too much. So just watch this video and all of the research, I'm going to spare you that. The next couple of minutes, you will know exactly what to do. Before you understand what academy is, let me explain to you a little bit about what the PLAB 2 exam is. So here's the deal, guys. PLAB 2 is basically a 16 station exam, which is a OSCE, which you are doing consultation. Among the 16 stations of PLAB 2, obviously I have to keep it concise over here. I cannot go on about what PLAB 2 is. Guys, for that, you have my course. I give a course in which I offer proper explanation of what is PLAB 2, how to make a choice of academy, what is accommodation, when to come to UK, how to apply a visa, and how to make a perfect timetable, how to study, what are the resources, and how to make use of those resources, how to study for PLAB 2. This is a whole like 1 or 2 month research on how to get started with PLAB 2. I spare you all that in an only 3-hour workshop or course with me that you can book from my Instagram. I will explain to you everything, make you a timetable. I wish someone gave me this workshop. So coming back to PLAB 2. So among those 16 stations, guys, listen to me very carefully. There are 10 stations that are non-practical stations. You don't need to touch something. You don't need to perform anything. It's just stations where you have to talk to the patient. Now you have the rest of the 6 stations are hands-on stations. These are what I call the practical stations. These are like examination, procedures, SIMAN, and teaching someone something, using something, EpiPen, picking it up, doing the like BLS. So these 6 stations are going to be where you will require to use your hands. So now let's go into the academy situation. What exactly do academies offer? So academies will offer you a package which will be online and offline. Okay, part of the package which says online classes, recordings available. When they say that they're going to offer an online package, online classes, what they mean to say is that these classes, these recordings will cover the 10 non-practical stations, and these will be done online, because obviously the non-practical station is something that academy can help you with online. It's not something you need to use your hands. And then the academy has the offline part. You get access to the academy where you prepare for the rest of the 6 stations. So the rest of the 6 stations, you need SIMAN, you need procedure, you need injections, you need mannequin to do your like BLS, and you need Foley's catheter. So you need all those things. So the academy has those things inside it. You can go and practice with those things with your hands. So you basically, when you're coming to academy offline, it is coming to the academy and actually doing the 6 stations preparation. But the part of academy which is online, it's only to prepare you for those 10 stations that are going to be consultations. So in the academies, they offer like classes in which they will go through all those cases that can come in the 10 stations, and they just discuss it with you how you're going to talk to the patient and stuff, because that's something you can do from your own country as well. Actually, majority preparation for the 10 stations is going to be at your home. It's actually the offline part for which you have to come to the UK and prepare. So if that makes sense, now you will have an idea on how to pick an academy. Now let me tell you like how the academy will offer you the package. Most likely academies charge about £600. That's like the most common rate. At £600, they will offer you both online, offline, and it will be unlimited. It's most likely till you pass your exam. Even if you fail exam first time, you come for the second time, academies usually give you a free time. So you can come to the academy for the second time, you can take the classes second time, it will always be free. Don't worry about the time limit, time period. The moment you buy a package, it's going to be there unlimited for all academies. That's something I can guarantee. I do advise that you buy the package as soon as possible. So the moment you have the package, you can take classes right now, and it's no such thing as when do I take the class? I can only take 1 session of classes. No. Once you're in the academy, you get the 1 session, you weren't able to attend the classes properly, they'll give you the recordings. Don't want to do the recordings, then again a live session will be held. So in academy, the live sessions keep being held every month or maybe every 2 weeks basically. Whenever those sessions happen, you can every time enroll in them. Like once you're in the academy, you can do it as many times for the longest time. So do not delay it. Do not be like, okay, I'll take the academy when I'm going close to UK. No, that doesn't make sense. The moment you'll get the academy, you will start getting into practice. You'll be added into groups of the people in the academy. So you make more partners, you make more friends there. So it's definitely useful and reasonable for you to apply or get into the academy as soon as possible, because there's not going to be any extra charges if you do it later. You do it now, same amount of money. And then whenever you want, you go to the UK and then you go into the academy. You've made friends in that group. So those friends will, you guys can hang out and, catch up and go into the academy and practice also the 6 stations. I hope that makes sense. So this is basically what the concept of academy is. Now coming to the big choice of the academy. What choice? How do you make a choice of the academy? Because first comes academy, then you think about the accommodation. Okay, that's the sequence you need to follow. So for academy choice, let me tell you this. 2 things you need to be looking at, 2 factors. Number 1, how good is the academy? How are the teachers? How do they teach? Okay. Second thing is the location. Location, the reason I say location was the number 1 for me is because I preferred a location to be close to the exam center, which is Hardman Square. My academy should be in the vicinity of Manchester, at least. And that's how I chose my academy, only based on the location. Because the first part, which is how is the academy? I'm going to tell you this now. It really doesn't matter. All academies are almost the same. All the academies, when you go there offline to do the sim-an, to do the practices or with the mannequins and even to give mocks, when you go there is no one, it's no longer like a medical school. It's no longer like a teacher is going to be there, is going to be telling you, okay, this is how you do the sim-an, now insert this, now do that. Maybe if you beg a teacher, please, can you do this one case with me, and they'll explain to you. Otherwise, in academies, it's self-learning. Everyone's learning with each other. There's no teacher there. Everybody just comes and randomly practices with each other, and they're like, you tell me how to do the sim-an. Okay, this is how you do it, but I'm not sure. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. This is how I do it. So that's how it goes in offline part of the academy. For all academies, there's no teacher like on direct supervision with you. So this is a fact that you have to accept. So at the end of the day, even the classes that they give you online, they're not that helpful. At the end of the day, you have to study yourself. The only benefit of the academy, to be honest, is to get you ready for prep. So you meet new people, you get more partners, you get the mocks of the academy, you get the mannequins available. These are the major benefits. However, guys, I am about to change the game. These 2 things? There is one academy though that satisfies both these criteria. And the reason I say this is because I teach in this academy, and I'm sure majority of you know already, it's the UK Pass Academy. See guys, I want you to trust me. I'm never going to misguide you just because, I'm working in it and I'll be like, come to this academy. That's not who I am. I'm a person who's hardworking and very honest. I believe that is a good choice. You should definitely make that choice. This academy is basically one place where the mentors and teachers are going to be on your face. The moment you'll say, I need to understand sim and I don't know, we'll open the academy for you. We'll come there, we'll teach you it. Not just that, but even the online classes, I give the online classes. They're not 12-hour long classes. They're like 5 hours, and in those 5 hours, I promise you, if you study with me, I will not go case by case. That's a more conventional way of studying, but I feel like that's not beneficial. I am going to be teaching you the golden hacks, the tips to think on your toes, and that's how the exam is framed. It's no longer a written exam. It's basically a consultation, right? I teach you how to think on your toes. Like in the moment, how do you think? There's no such thing as going through the case 20 times and finding out, oh, this was the treatment. Let me just get to that part. No, I will teach you a structure, and I go by that. I only teach structures, and all the cases, you can do 20 cases with one structure. The best part about this academy, it is located near Manchester, and it's like easy Manchester. And I can give you tons of other benefits, but I have to keep this video short. The best part, don't forget, is that if you register in this academy with my discount code, you get discount. Obviously, it's a discount code. You don't want to miss that opportunity, right? So thank you guys. If you understood majority of this video, the choice is yours. Make a good academy choice. I believe UK Pass Academy and then all other academies come second, and they're almost all the same. That's up to you what you want to choose. But it was my duty to give you guys the best opinions, the best advices, the best choices for you guys. And I really hope you understood the whole academy concept. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any recommendations, write in the comments below.